One such recipe that requires very few ingredients, is healthy, satisfying, tastes delicious, and can be made in less than a minute. It is such an easy recipe that even my daughter can make it. Now my daughter is in high school and she is very busy with her homework and other extracurricular activities. But I help her by making this sandwich once in a while. But normally she makes this sandwich all by herself, as it's such a quick and simple recipe, and she really likes it. Let's get started with the recipe. For this recipe, you will need 2 slices of 100% whole wheat breads. Next, you will need 2 slices of cheese. Here I have extra sharp cheddar cheese. We are going to put the cheese slices on top of the bread. Next, I'm going to spread some mayonnaise on both slices of cheese. Feel free to increase or decrease the amount of mayonnaise you use. Along with the mayonnaise, you can also add some Dijon mustard if you want. You will also need some fresh baby spinach. Instead of spinach, you can also use lettuce, but I prefer using spinach as it is high in nutrition. As you can see, some leaves have stem, so I'm going to remove the stem because it's kind of long and I don't like the texture of it when I'm eating my sandwich. Next, we are going to add the spinach leaves. This sandwich recipe is very flexible, so feel free to increase or decrease the amount of spinach you're using in the sandwich. Next, we are going to use mayonnaise on the other slice of cheese. Next, we are going to gently place the cheese with mayonnaise and bread and make a sandwich. And that's it. Our sandwich is ready. As you saw, this is such a simple and quick recipe, and it is so flexible. Feel free to add any sandwich spread of your choice. You can add mustard, you can add anything, and it tastes great. And today I'm going to enjoy it with snapped Cheez-Its and an apple, but sometimes I also like potato chips and or tortilla chips and salsa. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like this recipe. Do let me know if you have any questions or comments about this recipe. I will be more than happy to answer it. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, then please like and subscribe, and I hope to see you in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.